My name's Pennington. I'm a pastor with the Apostolic Church in Ebbw, Vale. And over the last 5 years we've been working in one of the most disadvantaged communities in Wales. There is rampant unemployment, huge levels of drug abuse, and yet there are people who have such a joy and a spirit, such a welcome in their hearts. Almost everybody that I work with is a natural evangelist because of their outgoing nature, and so we've come to Ebbw Vale. We began to work for God. We began to initiate prayer and various initiatives to try and raise a spiritual fervour within the church. And as a result, we've begun to see God do some remarkable things. Over the last 2 years, we've seen 12 people saved, and we work with them. We've baptized the majority. I'm glad to say that we are seeing people come not from other churches so much as from out of the community. People who've been backslidden for many years and people who've never been to church. In fact, as part of our prayer program, we've seen people who've never thought that they would believe in God or have an interest in God, who've seen God do things in their lives that's caused them to begin to ask questions and come to church themselves. Over the last 6 months or so, since August last year, we initiated a full-on outreach program. We took a team onto the streets, into the market on a Friday in our local town. We began to speak to people face to face, give them tracts and literature. We began to present them with the gospel and speak to them. And what we've seen very remarkably as a result of that is since August, there are only 4 Sundays that I can count when we have not seen a new person come to the church for the first time. Many of those people who have come back again. We see some people commit, get saved and stay. Others, sadly, they don't find an interest, but we've seen God do amazing things. And I'd just like to encourage you that through prayer, constant preaching of God's word, and a real faith in the gospel of Jesus Christ, God can do amazing things, even in this day. Thank you.